What is up, YouTube? Go ahead, ask me what my name is. No. Ask me what my real name is. Ask me what my legal name is. That's right, y'all. Your boy got a name change, and I'm freaking pumped about it. I got to go to the courthouse and completely officially change my name, wait in the courtroom for my turn, raise my hand, say that I do solemnly swear that I'm up to no good or whatever, and then go up on the stand and say that, you know, yes, this is why I want to change my name, like, I'm transgender. It's not because of any credit fraud or, you know, bankruptcy or anything like that. So it was a pretty interesting experience. Me and Kayla had fun trying to get there without serious help. We made quite a bit of memories. I took some video that I'll be able to show you guys. What's up, guys? Today is the big day. I'm getting my name changed. I'm getting my gender marker fixed on my license. I'm super freaking pumped. I gotta go to work and pump out a few hours first, and then I'm gonna go straight from here, go pick up Kayla. We're gonna go to the courthouse, get the final paperwork, and go get my license and everything. So I'm super pumped. Stay tuned. We're gonna have some fun today. This is what happened. We were trying to get to the courthouse and we're struggling a little bit, so we had to use both phones in order to get there because Terry didn't know what she was talking about. So we are on our way to the courthouse. Should be there in a few minutes, hopefully, because otherwise, we're gonna miss it. So we will catch you guys when we come out of the courtroom, because it's probably illegal to film inside the courtroom, but we'll see you later. Without further ado, your boy is legal. Yes, so that's my real name. Excuse this picture. Oh my god, not cute. That's my real freaking name, Aaron Daniel Capener. That's what I'm talking about. Yes, gender marker, poof, male. That's what I'm talking about. I even tried this bad boy out this morning when I got a speeding ticket. For real, I did get a speeding ticket and it was not cute. But the point of the matter is, I got the speeding ticket and I wasn't uncomfortable. He took my car. He said, "Hey, here you go, sir. You know, you understand you were going over the limit." I said, "Yes, sir, I did." I was just like running late for work, you know, the usual. But it was just super exciting to be able just to bust out my license and hand him to him and say, "Here you go. This is my license." And without any fear, without any stress, without any anxiety, and just know that this guy is gonna look at it, see Aaron Daniel, see sex male, and call me sir, and see me. And it was just an amazing experience. I'm still working out the details of having to change my name everywhere, insurance, social security card, birth certificate, all that. But this was the big one for me. This one right here was the big one for me. So I'm waiting for the hard copy to come in the mail. I just had to share it with you guys because this is a big step for me. If you want to know why my middle name is Daniel, when I was a kid, I was a very wild child. I loved Daredevil. I loved getting muddy and dirty and stuff like that. And I had an alter ego where I flipped my hat backwards. Imagine that. And I called myself Dan the Man whenever I got in trouble, and I was like, "Oh, I didn't do that, Dan the Man did it." And then I'd switch my hat backwards and I would be Dan the Man. And so it was just kind of my alter ego, and I was so young. I was, you know, less than 8 years old doing that. So that was my name, and I figured since I had named myself, I might as well run with it and trust my gut. So that's what I named my middle name. I got the name Aaron just from testing out. I literally had a baby names book, started with the first one, and loved it. First of all, it says I'm 5'6", and I'm probably 5'7". I'm 5'6", but I'm 5'7". You know what I mean? Like, it really just depends on what shoes I'm wearing, and I wrote down 5'7". I don't know why it says 6. Maybe I was just too excited and wrote 6, but I'm definitely probably 5'7". I'm just thankful they don't put the weight on this bad boy anymore, because that would be embarrassing. Anyway, I just want to share this with you guys. It was a big day for me. Again, I was only able to do this because Kayla bought it for me for my birthday, so I was super freaking thankful. Shout out to her. She's amazing. It just wants me to be happy and supports me in every way, and I'm just so thankful for her. So thanks, babe. This is it, guys. This is big time. This is step 1. I'm so freaking pumped. Oh, I'm just so thankful. I hope you guys are having a great day. I just wanted to share some news with you and hopefully made you smile, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.